Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of AI Engineer in 2025. I hope you had a fantastic start of the year because here we are diving right back into what we love most, and that's building amazing, creative and sometimes just fun projects with AI. Last year was incredible with so many breakthroughs and cool ideas brought to life, and this year possibilities are even bigger. So whether you are here to learn, get inspired, or just geek out with me about the possibilities that AI brings us, you are at the right place. So yeah, let's just kickstart the year by creating one of the standard projects, and that's RAG, but RAG with a twist. Okay, we're going to start with a simple Streamlit application. I don't know if that's the best way to go about it, but let's go with it. Okay, let's just create a simple RAG solution. It's time to run the app, and yes, we have a simple Streamlit application. That's step number one. Okay, now let's add a connection to the LLM. We are going to use OpenRouter API with the Deepseek chat model. That's the latest Deepseek model, version 3. Check with Deepseek. Okay. Let's just add our credentials to the .env. Let's just... Okay, I've added my API key here, and let's see if this works. Interesting. Let's just paste in this. I'm just pasting this code snippet from the documentation and see if that will help. Yep, it's thinking, and we have a connection. That's great. So we're gonna save this. Okay, so this is a nice working app. I can now chat with Deepseek in our Streamlit application, and now I would like to create a project-based approach where every chat is another project or chat, like in ChatGPT. That's because I would like to implement a RAG system afterwards, and I want every project to be its own set of documents you can chat with. So let's go with that. The prompt is: I would like to implement a project-based system for talking to this LLM. Every project is separate from each other and don't mix the context. Can you implement this in the sidebar under projects dropdown with the ability to add and delete projects or chats without changing the current working configuration of this app? Okay. Okay, this is the default project. Okay. Okay. Okay, so there is no persistence or memory. We will fix that with the Supabase later on. Oh, okay, I started without you. I actually asked it to tell me what do I need for enabling chat history, and so that the app remembers conversations. And basically it said it needs a database. So I asked it to tell me how to set up a Supabase. Let's then create Supabase account. I mean, I already have a Supabase account. Let's just use it. Okay, so we have a new project here. Let's call it Reg 2.0. Strong password, huh? Let's go with this one. Frankfurt, create new project. So we're gonna need, you can see a part of it, but yeah, I'm gonna delete it anyway. So this is an API key, and in this URL, that's what we need. So we need Supabase URL and Supabase key. I'm just gonna pause you just to set it up. Okay, now when I set up my API key, I need to fix my requirements. Okay, this is what I need in my database. Yeah, let's just pause you. So now we are in a database. I just went to SQL editor, and I'm just gonna paste what Windsurf gave me. Success, no rows returned. That's a good sign. Let's go back. So we need to apply this part. Accept all changes. Pip install Supabase. I have this. Okay, so this should be it. Let's test it out. Okay. Okay, so he remembers my name. That's great. Let's create project 1. Okay, so when you switch to another project, he doesn't remember what is said in the first project. Okay, we are getting somewhere. I'm just interested in seeing if I refresh, yeah, the projects are deleted. Can you also make the projects persist through sessions? I want them saved and accessible. I want them saved and always accessible until deleted. Create project. So we now have okay, so he remembers. Let's just go to project 1. Okay, let's and yeah, the projects are here. Let's delete current project, and yeah, that's it. We now have a chat with Deepseek version 3 with access to chat history and a working database. It would be awesome if we can now implement a RAG system. Okay, this is good. Now we have working chat with history and project-based system. Can you add a RAG functionality to it with the ability to add documents to the conversation that are related to the project and don't mix with other project context? Supabase use Supabase for it also, and don't change the current configuration of the app. Allow Word documents, PDF, text and Markdown for now. Okay, so default, clear chat history. Let's see if this works. Process document. I actually could have given him something smaller, but okay. Okay, allow processing document. I'm just giving him the error, this one here. So we need to apply the document processing again and an SQL change. SQL editor. Okay. Okay, so create project. Let's drop some files and see if it will process it. Okay. Another error. I'm just gonna paste this part. So I added OpenAI API key to my env file, and let's just restart the application and see if it works now. Okay, let's just process the document. So the processing actually took some time for some reason. I don't know why, but we now have an ability to browse, to add files to the conversation, and let's see if we can talk to the file. What is the document about? Oh, cool. I gotta be honest, I half expected it to fail because okay, short sideline, I made this like several times and it failed all the time. The only difference I made with this one is that I tried building it step by step. So I created a Streamlit application, I created a chat interface, I created a project system, you know, and I went step by step and then implemented RAG. Before that I just created like a huge professional looking project document that outlined everything I wanted to make, and it failed every time. I did have some errors in this also, but in the end it seems like yeah, I managed to create a RAG. So okay, yeah, it's a known novel, so he gave me a description of the novel, but I don't think he actually realizes I have this here. Let's try maybe another one. I don't know, let's maybe use something smaller. Like Python book. This is the smallest one. Okay. Okay, that's actually really cool. Yeah, we have a working RAG application. So yeah, anyway, we have a working RAG chatbot. We can deploy it on Stream Community Cloud or custom development. I think I'm gonna use this one. I just wanna see if I can make it private so that other people don't use my API keys. Yeah, so I hope this project was useful to someone, that you can see how to build your own regex system chatbot, so that you can talk to some of your documents. I actually plan to use this at my workplace for some projects I have, and this will come in very handy because I have a lot of documents. There are like 67, 70 pages, and I have to extract some data from them. Yeah, so hope this helps. If you have any questions, ask below, and subscribe to get notified for more videos. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.